to the continuation of previous video. In this video we are going to see the calculation for brickwork. So as a part of 3 BHK estimate we are going to calculate the brickwork here. So in case of brickwork I have taken two different wall thicknesses. First one is 230 mm and another one is 115 mm. So this is 9-inch wall and this is 4.5-inch wall thickness. So 9-inch I have adopted for this all ground floor walls and 4.5-inch I have adopted for parapet level. So this calculation we are going to do it now. So you can see the blue lines. So all these blue lines between the columns. So this is a column, this is a column, and this face, the length between the face of columns is a brick wall. So similarly all walls we have to calculate. Now let us see the brickwork calculation. So in case of brickwork we have to take based on the length of wall. So from this face of column to this face of column, the total length of this wall is 4 meter. So here 4 meter wall. How many numbers are there? We have to write. Next one is this wall, 5.63 meter wall. meter wall. So next one is 2.80 meter wall. 2.8 meter wall. Next one is this 2.6 meter wall, and additional to this one, from here to here this wall will be continuing. So from this face to this face, so like this 3.03. From this wall I am going to calculate the length. The length is 3.03 meter wall. Only this wall is only one number. Now next one is 2.6 meter wall. 2.6 meter wall. Next one is 1.4 meter wall. So this is 1.4 meter wall. In 2.6 meter wall we have considered only up to here. So this remaining part of brick wall we have to write. So 1.4 meter wall. So now we have to find out how many numbers are there. 4 meter wall, how many numbers? If you observe the plan, this is wall number 1. Here complete wall will come. This is wall 2. Here wall 3. Here wall 4. Here wall 5. Wall 6, wall 7 and wall 8. Total 8 number of 4 meter walls are there. Now 5.63 meter wall. So from this face of column to this face of column, completely it is 5.63 meter length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 numbers are there. Now coming to next length, that is 2.8 meter. So here 2.8 meter, 2.8 meter and 2.8 meter. Total 3 numbers are there. Now coming to 3.03 meter. So this is the only wall from here to here. So this wall we have to consider, that is 1. Now coming to 2.6 meter wall. So this wall already we have calculated. This wall already we have calculated. This also already we have calculated. Only this part is left over. This one and this one. Total 2 numbers. Next one is 1.4 meter wall. So this wall is 1.4 meter. Sorry, this is 1.63 meter. So from this face to this face, it is 1.63 meter. So 1.63 meter wall is 1. So these are the total walls which we need to calculate based on the plan. So all these walls are of 230 mm thick. So these walls of 230 mm thick. Now let us calculate the quantities. So as this length is 4 meter, so I am going to write 4 meter. This is 5.63, this is 2.8, this is 3.03, this is 2.6, this is 1.63 meter. Now coming to breadth of wall. So it is common for all. To 30 mm wall. Now next one will be the depth or height of wall. So how to calculate the depth of height of wall? So it will not be same for all brick walls. So what we have to do, I'll show it here. Let us come to the structural section. From top of plinth beam to bottom of floor beam, the wall will be between two beams, that is floor beam and plinth beam. So this height we have to calculate. So already the height is given, that is nothing but ceiling height. Ceiling height is nothing but top of plinth beam to bottom level of slab. That means from the ceiling height we have to deduct this beam depth, whichever is there after deducting floor slab thickness. So for example, two depths I have taken here. One is 0.35 meter and another one is 0.5 meter. So beam depths 500 mm depth is there and 350 mm depth is there. So 500 mm depth is taken for all these longer span beams. So this is longer span, this is longer span, this one, this one, this one and this one. These 6 beams are longer span beams. So I have taken this for 5.63 meter length beams, and remaining all beams I have taken 350 mm. So how to calculate the height? So in case of height, total ceiling height is 350 mm, sorry 3 meters. So from 3 meters, how much I have to deduct? I have to deduct total beam depth is, let us take 0.35. So from total depth, how much we have to deduct? So I'll take like this, 3 meter minus total depth of beam is 0.35 minus 0.15. So how much we will get? 3 minus 0.35 minus 0.15. So 2.8 meters is for this one. Similarly, 3 meters minus total depth is 0.5 minus 150 mm slab thickness. Here how much we will get? 2.65 meter. So for D1 we got 2.8 meters and for D2 we got 2.65 meters. So simple, for this beam 5.63 meter length, I have taken 2.65 meter and remaining all 2.8. So this is how we will calculate. So let us see the total quantity. So in case of total quantities, 4 meters, 4 into 0.23 into 2.8 meters. So here I got 2.576 meter cube multiplied by total 8 walls. So 20.608 meter cube. Next one is 5.63 meters into 0.23 into 2.65. Here I got 3.43148 multiplied by 6 numbers. Here 20.608 0.58 meter cube. Next one is 2.8 meter wall into 0.23 into 2.8. So 1.803 meter cube multiplied by 3 numbers. 5.409 meter cube. Next one is 3 meter wall. 3.03 into 0.23 into 2.8 meters. So 1.9513 multiplied by one number. 1.9513 meter cube. Next one is 2.6 meters. 2.6 into 0.23 into 2.8. So 1.6744 multiplied by two numbers. 3.3488 meter cube. Similarly, this one 1.63 into 0.23 into 2.8 meters. So 1.0497 multiplied by one number. 1.04972 meter cube. Now what is the total? So 20.608 plus 20.588 plus 5.409 plus 1.9513 plus 3.3488 plus 1.04972. So here I got 52.95 meter cube. So this is the total brickwork quantity without deduction. So this is without deduction. Now we will see the deductions. So in case of deductions, we have to take these openings as well as the lintels. So first of all, we will take the openings. First one is main door, second one is door 1, door 2, next one is arch, next one is window 1, next one is kitchen window, next one is ventilator. Total 7 numbers. So all 7 openings are there: main door, door 1, door 2, arch, window 1 and ventilators. So all this I have written. For main door, what is the size? Size of main door is 1.5 meter by 2.1 meter. Next, door 1 is 1.2 by 2.1. Door 2 it is 0.8 by 2.1. Arch is 1.4 by 2.1. Window 1 is 1.5 by 1.2 and kitchen window is 1.2 by 1.2 and ventilator it is 0.6 by 0.3. So these are the sizes of openings. Now main window, only one window is there. Main door is 1 and next one is door 1. Door 1s are total 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next coming to door 2. Door 2 I have given for toilets 1, 2 and 3. So next one is arch. Arch is only 1. Window 1. Window 1 are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and next one is 5. Next one is kitchen window. Kitchen window is only 1. Ventilators are 3 which are given for toilets. So what is the length? Length is this one: 1.5 meter, 1.2 meter, 0.8 meter, 1.4 meter, 1.5 meter, 1.2. So next, breadth of walls. So it will be same, 0.23 only. So wall breadth will be same. And coming to the height of this deduction, so this we have to take 2.1, 2.1, 2.1, 2.1, and for this one 1.2, 1.2, and this is 0.3. So for this we need to calculate the quantity. So 1.5 into 0.23 into 2.1. So this will be our deduction 0.7245 multiplied by 1, 0.7245 meter cube. So next one is 1.2 into 0.23 into 2.1, 0.5796 multiplied by 4 into 4, 2.3184 meter cube. Next one is 0.8, 0.8 into 0.23 into 2.1, 0.3864 multiplied by 3 numbers. So into 3, 1.1592 meter cube. Next similarly 1.4 into 0.23 into 2.1. So I got 0.6762 multiplied by one number, 0.6762 meter cube. Similarly 1.5 into 0.23 into 1.2, 0.414 multiplied by total 5 numbers, 2.07 meter cube. Next one is 1.2 into 0.23 into 1.2, 0.3312 multiplied by one number, 0.3312 meter cube. Next one is 0.6 into 0.23 into 0.3, 0.0414 multiplied by 3 numbers, 0.1242 meter cube. Now we want total deductions. 0.1242 plus 0.3312 plus 2.07 plus 0.6762 plus 1.159 plus 2.318 plus 0.7245. So here we got 7.4033 meter cube. 0.1242, 0.3312, 2.07, 0.6762 and 1.1592 and 2.3184, and next is 0.7245. So these are deductions. Additional to this, we have to add lintels. So in case of lintels, same openings will be there. So main door, door 1, door 2, arch, W1, kitchen window and ventilator. So how to find the length of this? These numbers will be same: 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 1 and 3. Coming to the length, how to find the length of a lintel? So if this is the door opening, over and every opening we will place a lintel. So this is nothing but a lintel. To continue the brickwork over this opening, we will place this lintel. So this side and this side 0.1, 0.1. So if this width is 1.5, then total length of lintel is 1.7. So 0.1 this side and 0.1 this side we have to add, that is for bearing purpose. Now coming to main door. Main door size is 1.5 opening, 1.2, 0.8, 1.4, 1.5, this is 1.2 and this is 0.6. For this we need to add 0.2, 1.7, 1.4, 0. This will be 1.0 and this is 1.6 and this one 1.7, this one 1.4 and this one 0.8. So these are the lintel lengths. And what is the breadth? Breadth will be wall thickness. Wall thickness will be the breadth. And what is the thickness? Thickness we need to take 100 mm. So these are thickness. So thickness I have taken as 0.1 meter only. So what will be the quantity? 1.7 into 0.23 into 0.1. So 0.0391. 0.0391 multiplied by 1. So 0.0391 meter cube. So similarly 1.4 into 0.23 into 0.1. 0.0322 multiplied by 4 numbers. 0.1288 meter cube. Next one is D2. So 1 into 0.23 into 0.1, 0.023 meter cube. Now this will be multiplied with 3 numbers. 0.069 meter cube. Next one is arch. So what is the size of arch here? 1.6 into 0.23 into 0.1. So here 0.0368 multiplied by one number, 0.0368 meter cube. So similarly window 1, so 1.7 into 0.23 into 0.1. So here I got 0.0391 multiplied by total 5 number of window ones. So here I got 0.1955 meter cube. Next one is kitchen window. 1.4 into 0.23 into 0.1. 0.0322 multiplied by only one kitchen window, 0.0322 meter cube. Next one will be last one, 0.8 into 0.23 into 0.1. So 0.0184 multiplied by 3 numbers. 0.0552 meter cube. So we need to add complete lintel quantity 0.0391 plus 0.1288 plus 0.069 plus 0.0368 plus 0.1955 plus 0.0322 plus 0.0552. So here I got 0.5566 meter cube. So this is deduction quantity. To get the total quantity of brickwork after deduction, so what we have to do? This one minus this lintels. So 52.95 minus 7.4033 minus 0.5566. So this minus this one minus this one. So how much we are getting? 44.90. So here 44.90 meter cube after deduction. So this will be our answer. So this is for 230 mm brick wall, which is used for complete ground floor, and for 115 mm wall we will calculate for parapet level. So next we will see 115 mm wall, that is nothing but 4.5 inch wall. So let us see that one. Now we will see the parapet level brickwork, which is 0.115 meter thick wall, and height is 1 meter. Height of the wall is 1 meter. Now in case of parapet level, so this plan is completely of ground floor. Here at parapet level it comes like this over this beam. So over the slab and beam, here you can see it comes like this. So now what I will do, I will take the length between these two columns and these two columns. So here I will consider longer side and shorter side. So long walls and short walls. So in case of long walls, I have to add this one. So how much we will get? 5.63 plus 5.63 plus 2.80, we will get 14.06 meter. So this is the length in one direction, that is longer direction. So numbers we have to take two numbers, because this side we have to calculate and this side also we have to calculate. So two numbers in longer side, two numbers in shorter side. What is the length here? Length is 14.06 meter and breadth of wall is 0.115, that is 4.5 inch wall. And coming to the depth is nothing but height of wall. So what will be our quantity? So 14.06 into 0.115 into 1 meter. So here I got 1.6169 meter cube multiplied by 2. So into 2, 3.2338 meter cube. Now coming to short wall. So what is the length of short wall? Short wall will be calculated from faces of two columns, this one and this one. So here you can see this is 4 meters and this is also 4 meters. 4 meter plus 4 meter will be 8 meters. Wall thickness and height of wall is same. So 8 into 0.115 into 1 meter, 0.92 meter cube multiplied by 2. So 1.84 meter cube. So what is the total? So 1.84 plus 3.2338, 5.0738 meter cube. So this is the total quantity of parapet wall, total quantity of brickwork required for parapet wall. So this is how we will calculate the brickwork calculation along with deductions. So if you have any doubts or if you have any queries, you can comment me in the comment section so that I can respond to the comments.